Creating a new PCB project. In Altium's electronic design software, a PCB project is a set of design documents or files required to specify and manufacture a printed circuit board. The project file, for example, multivibrator.project PCB, is an ACC2 file that lists the documents in the project as well as other project level settings, such as the required electrical rule checks, project preferences, and project outputs, such as print and COM settings. A new project is created by running the file, New, then locate for project command to open the Create Project dialog. This tutorial focuses on using Altium Designer with a connected workspace, the most streamlined and empowered environment for your design's needs. However, if you're not able to enjoy the benefits that a connected workspace brings, you can store your design data, including projects, component libraries, and design outputs locally on your hard drive or in a shared network resource. To complete this tutorial, you will need to be connected to a workspace. It is assumed that your workspace has been activated or installed with the sample data.